Introducing the CRX 7225 Toolbox and Hutch. CRX series toolboxes, manufactured by Extreme Tools, are available only at rollcabs.com and feature professional quality construction with added features such as higher capacity drawer glides, up to 150 pounds on single glide drawers, and up to a full 300 pounds on dual glide drawers. All 19 drawers feature spring-loaded self-latching drawer pulls and full extension ball-bearing glides, and feature heavy-duty rubber drawer liners. You also get 3 extra wide drawers with added support panels underneath. The optional Hutch gives you additional workspace and storage with a built-in pegboard, powerstrip, and many available add-ons. All CRX series boxes come with high-gloss powder coat finish, sturdy oversized locking casters, and multiple size and accessory configurations to perfectly fit your needs. To learn more and build your perfect toolbox, visit rollcabs.com.